Falcon A1, the ultimate craft laser. Experience true plug-and-play convenience. The Falcon A1 automatically detects materials and optimizes engraving and cutting settings instantly. Precision beyond measure. With a laser beam as thin as a strand of hair, customize, engrave, and cut works of art with ease. Transform ordinary objects around you into extraordinary designs. Customize your kitchen with some personal flair. Breathe new life into your space in just a few easy steps. From custom cutting to detailed engraving, craft anything you desire. Compatible with a wide range of materials. Imprint your personality on everyday items. Make every piece uniquely yours.
Mom, what's for dinner?
Bring bespoke beauty to your world. Choose from hundreds of ready-to-make projects. Click and watch the magic unfold. Smart camera alignment. The live camera preview ensures easy and accurate positioning with no calibration. Smart batch processing maximizes efficiency, accomplishing more in less time. Sketch to reality. Capture precious works of art, transforming drawings into laser-engraved masterpieces for the family to share. Create professional products of your most cherished memories. Bring works of art into the world in a flash. Craft for yourself, friends, and family. Never buy another gift again. Put a little bit of you into everything. Customize, craft, and create. A world of products and opportunities await. Launch your business or fuel your passion project. From unique designs to custom signs, why buy when you can make? Falcon A1, the ultimate craft laser. Craft anything in a flash. Start your journey as a creator today.